next stage right now. We're going to start putting the HardieBacker on the walls. They've been reinforced. Okay, so I wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up of where we are so far. So you saw some kind of transition from one to the other to the other. So this is now the tile that is on the walls all the way across. We've done the brick pattern to the tub. And now we're going to start transitioning to the ceiling and put the ceiling in next. Alright, and then after that we're going to start grouting. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the finished product. Now that I've done it, what you see up there, that's just thin set or grout that's been put on. And I started on the floor.